Hi, I'm Eric from Stinger. Today we're going to show you some of the awesome features you get when you upgrade your factory 5-inch Jeep radio to the Stinger Heighten with the SRK-JW18EH radio replacement kit. Our kit has been perfectly designed to fit the dash of your Jeep. It makes it look like it came from the factory like this. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning 10-inch HD touchscreen display. It's the perfect canvas to show off really cool features of your Jeep. This screen has been built in such a way to reduce glare, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. Looking at the two radios side by side, the factory 5-inch is half the size of the Heighten screen, and you can really tell. Using pack integration technology, our kit can pull Jeep information from the vehicle and display it on the screen. That includes pitch and roll gauges, multiple temperature gauges, oil pressure gauge, battery voltage, speed tracking data, live drivetrain information, and more. Your Jeep comes equipped with a great-looking HD reverse camera. Many aftermarket radio upgrades downgrade the signal to a standard definition. Our kit retains the original HD quality of your reverse camera. The Heighten also has additional camera inputs, allowing you to add up to 4 additional cameras and display them right on the Heighten screen. You can even overlay off-road information on top of your camera feeds. The Heighten is equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Here you can send and receive messages and calls, you can listen to music or podcasts, and you can access your phone's navigation features without touching your phone. When it comes to upgrades you can hear and not see, the Heighten is equipped with a 4-channel amplifier. It also has a 15-band EQ, way more detailed than the 3-band EQ your Jeep came with. And it has 6 RCA outputs at 4 volts apiece for adding aftermarket amplifiers to expand your sound system. The system does feature an optional upgrade. You can purchase separately a micro SD card that has all of your iGo offline maps. Plug that into the Heighten brain, and now you have turn-by-turn and accurate navigation off-road without the need for cellular reception. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this before and after comparison video. Ready to evolve your Jeep? Upgrade your radio to the Stinger Heighten with the SRK-JW18EH radio replacement kit.